Okay, so tonight is dinner night and we're going to make an easy barbecue. I want onions and mushrooms on mine. Alright, so for the onion mushrooms, I got them in my frying pan. This is olive oil, real light. And then we have got Italian herb. And we also have rosemary. Love that. Go ahead and use it. You might not be used to be cooking with it, but rosemary is an excellent flavor for your meats. All right, now we use a little bit of salt. I didn't season this as heavy with the salt this time because I'm also using the garlic powder. Okay, and then I used a little bit of my Jack Daniel's chicken rub, which also has salt in it. So be careful when you're mixing your seasonings. Be aware of what each individual is. Okay, so we got the chicken rub. We don't need as much salt in this one. Now, well, it's pretty much, you can see it's fried. That looks good. It's going to go on my burger. We have the hamburgers. Now, when you're cooking on the grill, you make your burgers. It's real important. The meat will cook faster on the outside than the inside. So watch this. Quick tip. Use your thumb. Press an imprint. You want to bring it down so that the inside is the same texture as the outside so you don't cook uneven. Neat idea? Okay, there you go. Alright, then make sure you wash your hands before you touch your food, y'all. Okay, and then one more time. Alright, now what I use for my burgers, I use my Jack Daniel's seasoning rub. I wish I had stock of this company because I love it and I advertise them so much. The A1 sauce, and then this is awesome. Dale seasoning. Now it's got a lot of salt in it. You can get lower sodium if you need it, but I mean I just go for full flavor. All right, so there's the Dale seasoning, and then this is going to go on the grill. Now as far as grilling goes, that's up to my husband. He knows how to flip and cook them, but as far as I know, you have it on there. You sear it, flip it once, and then move it over to the side and let it cook. But just don't forget to put your impressions in the middle. All right. So y'all have a good night and happy cooking.